There are two main methods for making and deleting many-to-many relationships: attach and detach. So let's make a new route in our web.php file, routes web.php. So here is our main page, and separately from it we will make the new route. It will be get. We will call it many to many. So as a second argument, we will not return the some kind of view, but we will make a callback function. And here, so first of all, we need to retrieve needed category. So like this, we will call this variable category, and by the category model we will find some category name. So for example, it would be time, knowledge, maybe knowledge. We name knowledge, and it's first. Here we can continue this chaining and also retrieve ID, only ID which we need, but there can be some errors. That's why maybe in future experience or some kind of that stuff, that's why we'll make like category ID equals it's like we'll make a condition stuff, category like ternary operation, category if category ID, there will be if category, there would be category ID, else it will be equal to null. Yes, something like this. And now we can use full conditions, like if category ID, then we will make we will attach. So first of all, we need a quote. So our quote is equal to quote model. For example, maybe second quote, yes, like with ID 2. So now we have our quote, and by this quote we will make we will write method called categories. We wrote it in the previous video in our quote model, categories. Then we will attach to it this category ID, yes. And for information that it attached well, we can just make some kind of die and dump, maybe like attached. And if category ID is null, we can make die and dump here and write something like failure or error. Yes. So I think we don't have any mistakes. So here is our, let's refresh it. Here is our main page of our app, and we will write like many to many. Yes, it attached, and let's move to our database. This was before I still didn't refresh it. When I so maybe I haven't. Yes, so our second quote attached to our fifth knowledge. We can check it by the in DB we're like 5. Yes, it's knowledge. And our second quote is we will made it by Faker factory, by Faker in our factory. So now let's make the same operation, but with many items, with many categories, because as a argument attach method can again attach multiple categories. So this there will be where in name, not knowledge, there was time, maybe kind of love, and maybe time, love, maybe trust. Yes, and we will we'll wrap it in an array. First will not work with this. Here we can retrieve only IDs by plug method. Yes, only IDs. And in order to make only arrays, we can convert it to array. Yes, to array method. So we don't need it anymore. And here we can just if category quote, maybe yes, it would be the same quote, and quote categories attach only. Let's rename it as a category categories, like categories IDs. And here categories IDs. Yes, and if we have success, we'll see attached message, and if we fail, we will see error message. Yes, so let's refresh our page. Yes, again attached, and let's move to our database and again refresh it. Yes, now we have in our second quote some categories like time, like love, like trust. Yes, time, love, trust.